मनन सेम at post
सिमेट्रीनी आदत છે ને એટલા માટે
Welcome to my first vlog ever. My first vlog had to really be this because this vlog is so special. I am heading to a very special trip. Not a trip, like it's a weekend thing, but it is a surprise for my childhood friends Nidhi and Manan. They are getting married in like 2 weeks, and it's going to be next to impossible to let that sink in. But oh my god, I'm so excited for today and tonight. I can't contain myself because last night I met Nidhi, and Nidhi and I were talking, and there were so many instances where I wanted to tell her, oh, I'll see you tomorrow. I was like, Krishan, I did control myself a lot. Anyway, so this trip has been organized by Nidhi's sister, and she has literally done a fab job. Like since I think a month or month and a half, she has been like so active, like this, okay guys, we are doing this, we are doing that, this is what the plan is. She is literally like a genie, and everything has been planned according to Nidhi and Manan's choices and Nidhi's aesthetics. Oh my god, she is obsessed with being aesthetic, and this is just what she likes. This is a camping trip, and this is my first time living in a tent, and it's going to be an experience for sure. And I don't know how much will I be able to vlog throughout the trip, but I'll try my level best to vlog it. I'm going to meet my childhood friends after so long. Most of them are married now. I mean, I'm just waiting for my friends to come and pick me up, and yeah, I'll see you at Off the Grid. Oh, by the way, we are going to this place called Off the Grid. It's in Khopoli, and yeah, I'll see you there.
ये सब इतना मुझे कैमरा वो है NM कॉलेज
ऑफ कॉमर्स
चेंज करी ना
મેં કેટલા બધા ફોટોઝ વિડીયોઝ બધું લઈ લીધું મનનનો સેમ જ પોઝ છે
how well they know each other. So there are like a series of events that will go through.
What is the most romantic thing you have done for each other? Sorry, I'm talking about no sugar, but
You are actually real friend of Nidhi. इसका मत
I
सुनो
can't resist.
हमारा मत सुनो हमारा मत सुनो
ऐश्वर्या what were we just talking about
we were talking
I was asking tips.
we were talking about how an unsugared person can have the sugar in ice cream.
I am doing exactly the opposite. Cheers.
We want Manan Saab blacks for plus plus. होएला कुछ बोला? अच्छा
A few moments later. The next morning.
चली जा आँख बंद करके
रोहन It's okay, it's okay.
आँख बंद करके चली जा
Calm yourself. Deep breath.
Don't move much. आज बर्फ जी
अमेरिका वालों को लगता है
Don't do that.
अमेरिका वालों को ठंडा नहीं लगता भाई तू भी जाके
वो भी है.
એના માટે આખો આ બરફ નાખી દો તો
नहीं रे.
थोड़ा सा
वाड़ ऊपर से दिया. हाँ ऐसे करके कुछ तो बोली वो भाई, लोग उधर डर गए, मतलब हमारे फ्रेंड्स भी थे, ऐसा नहीं, अजीब सा वो अंकल भी डर गए वहाँ पे कि भाई कि खो वो गई है क्या ये लड़की। कुछ भी करती थी वो।
से एक आइटम
कौन?
सब लोग।
हर्ष तू कोई क्रेजी मेमोरी बता निधि के बारे में।
हाँ
क्रेजी मेमोरी आई है निधि इज मैं लाइक अभी मेरी तो वो रिलेटिव है, तो हम लोग बचपन में हम लोग को ऐसा था कि मामा के घर जाना है।
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है।
मैं मामा के घर रुका हूँ, बट दैट वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम व्हेन आई वेंट अलोन। रात तक सब ठीक था, फिर अभी बचपन में तो क्या है कि मम्मी के बाजू में सोते थे वैसा। अभी ये फर्स्ट टाइम जहाँ पे सब कुछ अंधेरा करके सो गए, ठीक है। उसके बाद भाई मेरे को नींद ही नहीं आ रहा है। इधर करवटें बदली, इधर गया उधर गया, कोई दूसरी जगह सो, हॉल के दूसरे में सोने गया, नींद ही नहीं आया। बाद में बीच में उल्टी जैसा फील होने लगा। फिर मैंने क्या किया, मैं गया मामा के पास, निधि के पापा के पास। मैंने बोला मेरे को है ना नींद नहीं आ रही है, आप मेरे को घर छोड़ दो। तो निधि के पापा आए और मेरे को घर छोड़ने गए।
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
फिर उसके बाद निधि को पता चला, ठीक है। अभी उसका वो ड्यूटी है कि अगर जिसको भी पता ना चले ना कि ये कांड हुआ, उन सबको ये बोल बोल के, उनको नहीं सुनना है ना, फिर भी ये बोल बोल के बता देगी।
चिल्ला चिल्ला के स्कीम बता दो।
And just like that, we are back. I really could be the worst vlogger, or maybe it could be because it was my first vlog and I almost forgot to vlog. I forgot to end the vlog. There are so many bits and pieces that I just didn't record because I was so much in the moment. My jaw is still hurting from all the laughter. We're up till like 4:35 AM, which was crazy. It was so much fun, and you know, Nidhi described this that you know ऐसा सब सिर्फ फिल्मों में होता है, and how is this happening in real life? I genuinely felt it the same way. Like Nidhi's sister put so much of effort, and the planning was exquisite. Like I told her, this is what you should do for a living, and the games that she planned, it felt like I was in an award show where there were polls, and oh my god, it was so good. There was one part of the night which was the toast or the roast. It didn't happen because you know we were back to back into activities and stuff, and I think everyone was shy enough to give a toast or a roast, and I really wanted to write a roast for them, but there was nothing that I could write to roast them. I just have a small toast that I had written for them, and if it happened there I would have said it, but since it didn't, we'll do it here. Dear N and M, the relation that you two share is so precious and rare. I'm glad to have witnessed this over the years, sometimes in person, sometimes virtually, but I can confirm that soulmates exist every time I see you two. Nidhi, I love you, and this has really been the happiest I have ever seen you, and I know that this is just the beginning of all the good things that are about to happen to you. I love you both, and cheers to your new beginning. Well, that's all for today, and while I go and work on my vlogging skills, you better go like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time.